We have learned present continuous tense or present progressive tense in previous lesson. Now we will learn present perfect tense. The present perfect tense refers to an action or state that either occurred at an indefinite time in the past or began in the past and continue to the present time. So we can say that present perfect tense is used to express a past event that has present consequences. This tense is found by चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, चुका हूँ और चुकी हूँ in the end of the sentence. So the structure of the sentence is subject plus object plus verb plus चुका, चुकी और चुके plus है और हूँ. Here we use चुका for masculine gender, चुकी for feminine gender, चुके for plural subject, and we use चुका हूँ और चुकी हूँ when subject is मैं. Now see some examples. She had sung a song. Here subject she means वह, object song गाना, verb sing गाना, वह गाना गा चुकी है. In Hindi language, word गाना can be used as an object or as a verb. My mom has cooked food. Here, subject my mom, मेरी माँ, object food means खाना, verb cook पकाना, मेरी माँ खाना पका चुकी है. Here, my means मेरा and mom or mother means माँ. You have to remember one more thing. Here I use चुकी है instead of चुकी है because here I want to show some respect to my mom. To show some respect to someone, we use na sound in चुकी है. So please don't confused here. Next sentence is he has drunk water. Subject he means वह, object water पानी, verb drink पीना, वह पानी पी चुका है. Next sentence is Harry has read this story. Subject Harry, object this story यह कहानी, verb read means पढ़ना, हैरी यह कहानी पढ़ चुका है. Here this means यह and story means कहानी, so our object is यह कहानी. Next sentence is I have learned the Hindi language. Subject I means मैं, object Hindi language means हिंदी भाषा, verb learn means सीखना, मैं हिंदी भाषा सीख चुका हूँ. Next, they have visited India. They means वे. Subject is they, object India means भारत, verb visit means घूमना या भ्रमण करना, वे भारत घूम चुके हैं और we can say वे भारत भ्रमण कर चुके हैं. Here first second is for informal situation and second is for formal situation. वे भारत भ्रमण कर चुके हैं. I hope you have learned present perfect tense. We will learn present perfect continuous tense in the next lesson.